We are Patrick Best, Blake Clark, Sean Gardner, and Matthew Booth, and we are the capstone team who spent the semester working with GeneralGrind&Machine. GeneralGrind&Machine is a company that specializes in the manufacturing of mechanical parts. They service a wide range of industries from automotive to mining to agriculture and many more. Currently, General Grind's having some issues with two cells that have a significantly higher ppm defect rate than the other departments in their facility. Our objective is to focus on the three worst performing machines in the two cells with the highest defect rates. We want to reduce the collective defect rate on these three machines by 30% from the previous 12 months down to a value of less than 1,180 defective parts.
So for our current state analysis, we performed a gauge R&R test to ensure that accurate data was being collected. And based on the results, the team can conclude that the measurement system had a high repeatability variation, high part-to-part variation, and low reproducibility variation. The team also conducted a process capability study to determine if the current machine process was capable of producing parts within specifications. And then based on the results, we found that the current state processes were incapable of producing parts consistently within specifications. And then the team analyzed historical PPM records to determine possible issues within these records. And the top issues included undersized OD, pitch mic off, excessive keyway, centerline, and hex width undersized.
The major first deliverable the team decided to come up with was an update to inspection sheets. The current GGM inspection sheets are very vague and confusing for operators to follow, and they hide away a lot of the 100% checks that need to happen. So to do this, we created a bubble plot and added images so that operators can easily find what they're supposed to be inspecting. And then the second thing we did was update GGM's updated flow documentation. They are working through each of their cells, creating step-by-step guides, and we recognize this as an opportunity for improvement, so we decided to add, once again, our bubble print, and then also include the inspection values they're supposed to have in order to help operators.
The next deliverable was an RStudio application designed to assist GGM in statistical analysis. This contained two different tools, including process capability studies, gauge R&Rs, and process control charting. This was just a simpler and easy way for them to do it easily themselves that will be very quick and still be able to provide the analysis on the machines they need in order to identify if the process is capable and see how it is trending over time. The final deliverable that we provided them was a machine analysis, as can be seen on the control chart to the right. So we analyzed how those machines were running over time, and we could see on the bottom right one that they tended to be running pretty high, which is concerning, meaning that they may have trouble keeping it consistently within specifications. And finally, based on all of that, we came to a final ROI based on our 30% defect reduction, which results in a little under $50,000 a year with a 3-year net present value of about $136,000.